Hi friends, I am Sachit and welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare both the phones Realme X2 versus the Realme X2 Pro device, 90Hz versus 60Hz display. So in this test, I'll be doing the side-by-side comparison between the 90Hz display versus the 60Hz display. So does having the 90Hz make any difference in the Realme X2 Pro device? Or even if you're planning to buy any phone, will you need to definitely take a look at the 90Hz, 120Hz, or you can still buy the 60Hz? Let's get to know in this video. So before starting the video, if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, friends, SciTech Guru, and also do check the links in description for both the playlist X2 Pro and the X2 device. Links in description below, so you can find plenty of videos which I did on both the phones. So now let me get back into the video here. So now to measure the 90Hz display refresh rate, first you need to enable in the Realme X2 Pro device the display refresh rate to the 90Hz. So as you can see right now, I have enabled the 90Hz display refresh rate. And another thing, you need to allow the applications to work in the 90Hz display. So basically, few of the applications will support and few won't support the 90Hz refresh rate. For example, right now I have enabled the Chrome browser as well, as you can see, to support the 90Hz. So as you can see, there's a normal Chrome application and the Chrome beta application. So let me try opening in the Chrome beta and Chrome application, because only few applications will be supported with the 90Hz refresh rate. To measure whether the application supports 90Hz or not, you can see in there is a website testufa.com. So you can open this website even in your mobile phone and you can check what is the FPS you are running in your mobile phone. So right now you can see your friends, the Chrome beta is not supported the 90 FPS. So let me try to open the normal Chrome application. Just now I have installed. So as you can see in the normal Chrome application, the 90 Hz FPS is supported, which is very smooth. And right now let me compare side by side with the normal 60 FPS in the Realme X2 device. So you can see the slightly difference in terms of the blur. You won't get that much of blur in the Realme X2 Pro device when compared with the 60 Hz refresh rate. I can see a little bit of flickering happening there. So you may not be noticed that much while watching this video, but when you feel personally when you use it, you can feel the smoothness in the 90 Hz refresh rate. And the question is that is it good to have the 90 Hz, or should you really care to buy any smartphone with the 90 Hz display? So like if you're having budget to buy the mobile, then it's good to buy the mobile. But if you want to spend extra money just for the refresh rate, I don't think it's possible currently, because it will take a lot of time to get a lot of applications to implement the 90 to support the 90 hertz refresh rate. So currently only few applications are supported the 90 hertz refresh rate, not the all the applications are supported. You can see your friends, after watching the slow motion video, you would have observed only slightly there's a difference in terms of the movement of these spaceships. So where you can see a little bit of lag in the X2 device, little bit of flickering, and not that much of happening in the X2 Pro device. So definitely guys, in the future if I buy any 120 Hz refresh rate, I'll be doing comparison side by side. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel, friends. Don't forget to check the links in description for both the playlist Realme X2 Pro and the Realme X2 device. If you have any queries, you can comment below. See you in the next video guys, and then stay tuned. Bye.